the brand new 2025 Roaktrek Slumber Play Plus. When we say Slumber Play Plus, is mean it's a Class B motorhome manufactured by Roaktrek with sky bunk. As you see, this is a sky bunk. It lifts it up. It allows you to sleep two people on the top. And on the sky bunk on Roaktrek is very well known, so bigger and higher than the other two that is. Now, one of the features I've presented, when I say about price like Ram, everybody uses the same chassis. But the point, what they do extra on the house, that's what is separate Roaktrek from the other brand. I really like the big aluminum steel steps, so it's easy to get in, easy to get up. My propane is under this nice solid metal AC cap. And then you have nice two flood light outside, one in the front and in the back. When you come further here, there's more of a finish. As you see to the back, very roomy, and has plenty of room for storage, and it has the screen wall with the zippers coming. The front you hit the ceiling, you could pull a car or jet skis or tap in the sky. And then you have outside shower here. And then you have the endless hot water heaters, as you see. That's a on-demand hot water heater. Same hot water heater they use on the big Motorhome. Nice finishing docking station. You go inside and show you what's the outside. The chassis itself is a straight basic. But what they did, I'm going to point one thing, Roaktrek, they do extra. Even if this is made by Chrysler, Ram Chrysler, it's still, they add this switch here, which is really nice knob. The other unit does not have. So if I do this off, I'm saving the battery of my engine, as well I save my battery the house. So the advantage for you, they have battery disconnect from the engine, and they have battery disconnect for the. Let's go inside. Let's go this. As we said, and the Slumber come with the power awning, LED light in the back, as you see, and then we have extension cable right here. Come with it. Solid surface countertop. The sink is a stainless steel with a solid surface. 2 burner range pneumatic gas. Nice back stainless steel aluminum backsplash, and they have the nice microwave. All their cabinet is finished inside, so you don't have to buy that piece of cloth because they're all finished. So if you spill on them, they're painted and finished. They have a nice big pantry with a locking mechanism, and you can access it both sides with a shelf. And then you have a nice cooking pan doors. I use it. You can put all your cooking pans. 2-door refrigerator, one for the freezer, one for the fridge, and they're bigger size. You see how beautiful it is. And then coming over here, the GPL speakers, and then they have the light, if you want to do that. You have nice big storage cabinet, and they have a shock, so they could not come on your head. And they're deep and finished, locked in. Nice LED light built in the cabinet, as well. Storage in the side. Big hanging plug. You have shower, air conditioned LG. Now this motorhome seats 5. 3 in the back with seat belts, 2 in the front driver passenger. So every seat here has a seat belt, so I could seat 5 people with a seat. Now this one it become a bed, very easy. I demonstrate how it for you quick. Is I bring this bed down and it's electric. Just all I do, I touch the switch, bed come down, and then I put the board here in between. And then these cushions, the one behind me and this one, it go right here. They go right here. So one in mine where I'm standing, and then all this is a bed. So that's advantage of it. Now, why Roaktrek separate themselves from the others? Everybody make the same profile. What me personally I like is the finishing. So you can see the nice cloth installations on the side, the nice soft touch ceiling, the nice LED light, the nice middle spacers here. That kind of things we'll see. Quality, go. Coming down here, we have the nice sky pump, and then the cameraman, he could show you. more in detail. It's very roomy. It has a nice LED. Dynamite. Coming over here, we have the shower. Again, you can see the shower where it has a nice sink. And again, you go inside, take a shower, there's the toilet, there's mirror, everything up stop glass, no issue. Then you have the toilet, place for towels. And also, if you need more room for your elbow, you can move the lash. Then you hit so this is number K plus. It's very roomy. So you got a high RAM chassis. It's loaded. It has two camera, the 360 camera from RAM, as well the three cameras, one on the right, one on the left, one on the back. So coming in and look at it and take a glance at it. You have the price, you want it to match, and you sell for less and no hidden fees. Coming in.